How to track phone number location. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now it's generally not really possible for you as a normal user to be able to track someone else's phone number due to security reasons and of course data protection. But if you're trying to track your phone number and it's for your phone that got stolen, so on and so forth, what I would recommend that you guys do is to utilize built-in features from Google. For example, over here, if we search up Google Find My Device, your device should be able to utilize Google Find My Device over here and click on open, and you will be able to track different devices that are currently attached to your account. Unfortunately, this is the only way for you to be able to track your phone, especially if you got it stolen. For example, over here, I have my device. I could simply track my device over here easily by using the app or using my mobile web over here. Now, I tried this before and I was able to easily locate different places. As you can see, if you click this, you will be able to locate where a specific phone is. But unfortunately, phone number tracking is not possible unless you are utilizing some technologies from the military and so on and so forth. If you find different websites in the internet claiming that they are able to track phone number locations for you, beware of those because majority or most of them are actually scam. It's gonna make you pay a few dollars but never give you the actual locations. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.